Hola, amigos! Welcome back to our Spanish class. Today we are going to learn colors in Spanish in a fun and exciting way. By the end of this lesson, you will know many beautiful colors in Spanish. In Spanish, color means color, and colores means colors. Rojo means red. Repeat with me. Rojo. La manzana es roja. The apple is red. El cielo es azul. The sky is blue. Azul means blue. Repeat, azul. Verde means green. Say it with me. Verde. La hierba es verde. The grass is green. Amarillo means yellow. Repeat. Amarillo. El sol es amarillo. The sun is yellow. Negro means black. Repeat. Negro. The cat is negro. Blanco means white. Repeat, blanco. The cloud is white. La nube es blanca. Naranja means orange. Repeat, naranja. The orange is orange. La naranja es naranja. Rosa means pink. Repeat, rosa. The flower is pink. La flor es rosa. Morado means purple. Repeat, morado. The grapes are purple. Las uvas son moradas. The teddy bear is brown. El oso de peluche es marrón. The crown is golden. La corona es dorada. The star is silver. La estrella es plateada. The elephant is gray. El elefante es gris. The hat is beige. El sombrero es beige. Let's revise all the colors together. Rojo, azul, verde, amarillo, negro, blanco, naranja, morado, gris. What color is this? Yes, rojo. What color is this? Correct, azul. Can you say it? Amazing, verde. In Spanish, colors can change with gender. If the noun is masculine, we use rojo. El tomate es rojo. If the noun is feminine, roja. La flor es roja. Remember, masculine ends with o, feminine changes to a. Colors in Spanish change according to gender. Rojo becomes roja. Blanco becomes blanca. Morado becomes morada. Colors also change with number. If there is one object, we use singular. La manzana es roja. If there are many objects, we use plural. Las sanas son rojas. Excellent work! Now you know colors in Spanish. Comment your favorite color in Spanish, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Spanish lessons. Hasta luego, amigos!